Instagram has a new option that lets you mute people, and I've been waiting for this one for a while, and it's a great way to not see people's posts, both the feed and the story post if you wanted to. So let me show you how to do it. Let's jump into a page we want to mute. So I'll just go ahead and search, and then I just looked up one of my other pages that I just created. So previously, you basically could press the icon next to messages and you could unfollow someone, but then if you wanted to see their post, you had to follow them back and they'll know you unfollowed them. Or you could press the three dots right on top. Again, I'm on their profile page, press the three dots and you could block them. But if you block them and they came to your profile, they could see that you blocked them because you wouldn't be visible. But mute, if I press mute here, is the third option in red. Again, if you don't see this right now, this does take a little bit of time to roll out. So if you're watching this before it's been released to your device, just give it some time. It actually took 3 weeks to show up on my device after the initial release. They usually release things like that and not all at once. So press mute here, and it gives you three options: mute post, mute story, or mute both post and story. So if you just don't want to see anything from this person or this page, press mute post and story, and just like that, this page has been muted and I won't see them when I'm on my home and I'm scrolling through. That page just won't show up anymore. But I could always go to my search, look up that person and go and look at their stuff. So it's not like unfollowing them or blocking them. You could still see them, but it just won't show up when you scroll through. So to unmute them, press the three dots, press unmute. It's not red this time, but you could press unmute. And again, you have the same three options. So again, if you want to unmute everything, post and story, and it's been unmuted as if it never happened, they'll never know that you muted or unmuted them. Unlike unfollowing or blocking, there are ways to get around those and finding out if you did that to someone's page. I hope you found this useful. Please give this video a thumbs up. I post easy to follow social media and tech tutorials 5 times a week, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.